beauty. The big tree.
Everyone doing it.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. So beautiful. It's good to be home, guys. I love Yosemite. It's day, what day is this? 4?
What?
It's day 4, right?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, yep,
Day 4. Yosemite Day. I don't think Mom's been in like any of the videos yet. Well, barely any, so. There we go. Yosemite Day all day. Wearing American outdoorsman, and that is a lie. But I just like this hat. We rolling up to the gates. Yosemite. No one cares. Yosemite. Cousins. They're in there somewhere. Yo, Haley. I think she has music in it. Look at that. It's so nice to see the waterfall again. Because last time we were here, the waterfall was inactive because there was a major drought. So it's nice to see the waterfall again. Oh my gosh. And my hair is a mess. I did not brush it today because anyways, get in it with me. We're doing the vlog. I can't even get you in it.
Can you see the waterfall?
Love family photos. So beautiful. It's good to be home, guys. I love Yosemite so much. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I have to post on my story. On our agenda, we're going to do a small Bridal Veil Falls hike. It's beautiful. We're not climbing up there, we're just going to the trail. My strap's upside down. Look at that. We're gonna have a good time. It's so pretty. And look at this one. Like greenery, the stream. So fun. Okay, I'm doing an update because I have not vlogged anything today. We are in Yosemite, and let me tell you, it is packed. Like, I've never seen it like this in all the years I've come. And I've been on, like, more recent memory, like 2008, 10, 12 for a day, 15, so like 4 times. And it's just crowded. It's notification. Okay. It's just real crowded, so. No! I'm sitting enjoying the spot. Okay, wait, impress us. Make Sabrina proud. No, you have to do her.
I'll do it.
June's gonna perform?
I don't want to perform.
Okay, June's performing. June's going to demonstrate a star. Look at that star. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Woo! Woo, Mason!
What?
Yeah, get up there. Oh wait, Anthony, I think wants to take over.
We have Anthony and Mason, a 2-man band.
I love your face. It's loaded diaper.
We have Mia. Mia.
Mia's You are a toy. That's a famous one.
That's not famous.
Shut up. Does anyone know like the Toy Story dialogue? I need Dylan. So janitor, so long for all. June's giving him direction. She also a director. June said, okay, here's the plan. We're going to perform. Okay, yeah, yes. Hey, get out of here. Get out of here, man.
It's not very sexy. They didn't get that card you sent them. They didn't get that. One leg.
I can't to the left.
Where you go, Mia?
Wait.
Oh my god.
I don't know, I'm still filming.
Your calendar.
Oh.
I found a stick for you, Mia. I think that's Mason.
That beauty. The big tree. I never knew Yosemite had a cemetery because every time we come, we go to like, there's like a little museum and like there's like a little village like full of like the Native American teepees or Indian, whatever terminology I say Native American, but we've never seen this before. It's really like eerie and like old looking. It's something. Wow. Schaefer? Just kidding. Turns out that the little Native American like walk-through village is still open, so that's what we're doing now. Oh, okay. Let's see. Acorn. Don't touch. Obviously. I think I'm just gonna do a montage. Okay, and go.